Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to a special unboxing video. As you can tell from the title and the intro, this is a Biatec, and the specific model is the Leviathan. Now, about a month or two ago, I went down the YouTube rabbit hole of watches, and I stumbled across a couple of review videos of Biatec watches, different models, but there wasn't many of them, and I was really intrigued. I went on their website and really liked what they were doing. So I had reached out to Peter, the founder of Biatec. And Peter, I won't butcher your last name, so I'll just refer to you as Peter, the founder of Biatec. And after a few back and forth emails and me explaining to him that I'm part of this cohort of YouTube reviewers and that this watch will not just be reviewed by me but by other YouTubers, we struck a deal, and he lent in the watch for review. Now he didn't gift us. He's not giving us this watch for free, or he's not giving us a special deal. He lent it in because I really was really interested in the watch and wanted to help him, get that name out there, that presence out there in the States, because I feel like this watch or this company has some great models, and they deserve some spotlight here in the States. So, without further ado, let's open this up. And if you were to buy this watch, you would get a nice little, looks like a nice little note signed by Peter. Again, I'm not going to try to pronounce that, so sorry, Peter. Um, and let's just take a quick look. And so this is the Leviathan. Now they have a pilot watch, a Flieger type watch. They also have some kind of dressier sports models. So this is their diver, and this one is the Leviathan 03. Really cool looking watch. I'm couldn't wait to get my hands on this one because this bracelet is so interesting, and I wanted to really check it out. I'm glad he chose this one to send in. Beautiful domed sapphire crystal there. So and gilded hands to give you that vintagey kind of look here. Really cool watch, and I'm excited to size this puppy up, try it on, wear it all weekend, and I will get a full review to you guys in a few days. But really excited about this. Peter, thanks again, and I'll see you guys soon with that review.